Alrighty guys, so this wig was sent to me by Tinashe Hair. This is their 24-inch 99J 13x4 lace front wig. As you guys see, this is what the unit is looking like after I customize it. I did pluck and bleach the knots off camera, which it was unnecessary for me to bleach the knots because there was no knots because it's like red. But yeah, this is what the wig is looking like. If you guys watch any of my hair installs, you guys know I have to hot comb my hair just so the unit can look flat and look natural, like it's coming out my scalp. So that's what I'm doing here. This hot comb is from the hair store. It's like a $9.99 hot comb, nothing too fancy, but we let it heat up and we're gonna get right into those roots of this wig and really make sure everything is nice and flat. After that, the lace was a little bit big on my head, so we are going to go ahead and cut out my ear tabs. So I actually like that because I feel like a lot of wigs, it doesn't reach all the way down, but this one, you know, it reached all the way down past my ear, so it gave me the room to like cut off more rather than have my hair showing. And here I'm just showing you guys, this is my favorite lace glue. Get your hands on it right now, period. This is the Eben lace spray. So after I sprayed down one section of my hair, I did go ahead and blow dry it on a cool setting, and I'm just doing that around the whole perimeter of my hair. Alright, and now I'm going to go ahead and take an elastic band and we're just going to tie this around the perimeter of my head for 10 minutes. I actually put it on for longer than 10 minutes because within that time, that's when I'm going to go ahead and style this wig. So let's talk about the specs of this hair. This hair was giving thick and I love it. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I don't know what I like more about the hair. I don't know if it's just the quality of it or if it's the color of it. I love this color. This color in the nighttime, I'll insert a clip. It kind of gives off like this hint of purple, which is just super gorgeous. It's not just fire truck red, but it has like these purple undertones, which I just love it. I wore this wig out for a girls' night, and girl, I got so much compliments on my hair. Like, people were surprised I did it myself, and I have to give it to Tinashe. I just feel like the wig was just constructed so perfectly that it was just easy to install. As you guys see, we sprayed it down, we tied it down, and just look at that. Like, we didn't even cut the lace, and it's giving Scalpiana already. So for styling of this hair, as you guys see, I am doing flat iron curls. I'm just taking my flat iron and I'm just curling it towards myself, and that's how I'm getting like a kind of like barrel curl in a way. But this hair did hold curls, which is great. This is supposed to be their straight unit, and I wanted to see if it would be able to hold curls, which it did, so that is a plus for me. If I had to rate this hair was not giving me shedding, this hair was not giving me tangling, and it just looks good. So 1 being the worst hair I ever put in my head, and 5 being like the best hair ever, I'm gonna give this hair a 4.5. I think the hair was really good.
Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on.
Y'all, here I was holding on to my lace because I was pulling that flat iron so hard, and it was like literally, I didn't want my lace to rip off. But yes, if you guys do want a tutorial on how to do flat iron curls, let me know. I can definitely do that for you guys. This was like super duper easy to achieve, and quite frankly, it didn't take that long. It is tedious, but it didn't take too long. So next up, I'm gonna go ahead and just cut off the excess lace. I'm taking eyebrow scissors and I'm kind of just cutting in a zigzag motion. I don't want to cut a straight line because you don't want to look like you have a tape, so you just kind of want to zigzag it out. It's better to use an eyebrow razor rather than an eyebrow scissor, but whatever you have laying around, don't spend your money, just use what you have. And the lace was lifting a little bit. I think it was because when I was pulling, trying to cut. So all I did is go back in with that even lace spray and just spray the lace that was lifting and then just blow dry it on cool. And as you guys see, it just melts right back into my skin. So this is a very, very good lace. It is not thick and we love that. And here I'm just defining my part. I took my foundation, which I use Juvia's Place I Am Magic. I'm in color 440 and I'm just doing that to define my part. As you guys see, I like to put the color and then I take the back of the brush and just kind of push it into the lace and it looks natural like that. So this is what the curls is looking like before I combed it out. I really could have wore it like this, but I did comb it out. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig for yourself, this video is a sign to try out some red hair. You guys can make purchases down below. The link will be in my description box. So yeah, I love this hair. It was very much giving, and period. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.